we could prove that joint.
Hey, welcome back to The Fix. Thanks for tuning in. Today, what we're working on is Dad's lazy boy. We're at my parents' house. Dad just had surgery on his right shoulder and is a fan of the lazy boy recliner and having a hard time being able to pull the handle with his right arm. So check this fix out. What we've done is taken some 1 1/4 inch inside diameter PVC pipe and just made this. We've taken this end and built it up with some duct tape to create a little bit of friction on the handle so it doesn't flop all over the place. And I'll let Dad show you how it's done. So with his left arm there, and he can recline all he wants, get some rest, and when he's done, bingo, and that duct tape makes it so the arm won't. Just like that. It adds a little bit of resistance so that it doesn't immediately fall over.
Shut up and take my money.
Yeah, I think that was way better than the alternative of trying to move the handle the other side of the chair. We looked at that and that would have been ridiculous. Dad, say hi.
Hi.
Mom, say hi. All right, well.
Simple fix for short-term solution.
Yes. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching. If you like that, please subscribe. This way. Broke it.